If you bring certain products into the UK, you not only have to be authorised to do so, but also pay HMRC tax, called excise duty, on them. So, if you bring goods into the UK, you'll need to know if excise duty applies. If it does, you'll have to pay the duty to HMRC. So what is excise duty? Well, it's a tax that's due on certain products. These products are known as excise goods and include tobacco products and alcoholic drinks. And there's excise duty on motor fuel and heating oil too. So things like wines, beers, ciders, spirits and cigarettes are all excise goods, as are petrol, diesel and other similar energy products. You'll normally have to pay excise duty if you bring products like these into the UK as part of your business. This applies regardless of whether the goods come from within the EU or outside it. Okay, so how is excise duty worked out? It all depends on the type of product. For alcohol products, the duty rate depends on their type, for example, sparkling wine, still cider or spirits, and on their alcohol content. Duty on cigarettes is based on their retail price, plus a flat rate charge per 1,000 cigarettes. For other tobacco products, there's a duty charged by weight. And for motor and heating fuels, it's based on quantity and charged either per litre or per kilo. You can find out the current excise duty rates on our website. So when do you have to pay the duty? Well, you might have to pay it in advance, or it may be due when you receive the goods in the UK. Sometimes you can defer payment for a while. It all depends on the type of goods you bring into the UK, where they come from, and the import arrangements you make. Bear in mind that if you bring excise goods into the UK, you'll probably need to sign up for the Excise Movement and Control System. This records and tracks the movement of excise goods in the EU. There's quite a lot you need to do before you start importing tobacco, alcohol and certain fuel products, so it pays to find out more. The excise section of our website is a good starting point. You could also consider using, for example, a freight forwarder or shipping agent to help you with things like customs procedures and trade documentation.